Deep in the heart of Asia, where ancient lands collide, lies a realm of towering peaks and hidden valleys. This is the Western Tien-Shan, a world of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking beauty. Join us now as we embark on a journey to explore this majestic mountain range. We will uncover its secrets and discover why it is so important to protect it. The Western Tien-Shan stretches across several countries, including parts of Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan. It is part of the larger Tien-Shan mountain system, one of the longest in the world. These mountains are not just impressive for their size, they are teeming with life and hold a rich cultural history. This is a land where snow-capped peaks pierce the clouds and glaciers carve their way through valleys. It is a place where rivers roar and meadows burst with wildflowers. But it is also a fragile ecosystem, threatened by climate change and human activity. Imagine standing before a wall of rock and ice that seems to touch the sky. This is the reality of the Western Tien-Shan, where some of the highest peaks in Central Asia reside. These mountains were formed over millions of years by the slow collision of tectonic plates. The result is a dramatic landscape of jagged peaks, deep gorges, and rolling foothills. Glaciers, like frozen rivers, flow down from the highest elevations, carving out valleys and feeding the rivers that sustain life below. These mountains are not just a spectacle, they play a crucial role in the region's climate and water cycle. The snow and ice act as a giant reservoir, releasing water gradually throughout the year, feeding rivers and irrigating crops. Exploring the Western Tien-Shan is like taking a journey back in time. The rocks here tell a story of ancient upheavals and transformations, reminding us of the immense power of nature. Despite the harsh conditions, the Western Tien-Shan is surprisingly rich in plant life. This mountain range, part of the larger Tien-Shan system, is a treasure trove of botanical diversity. The unique combination of altitude, climate, and geography has created a haven for a wide variety of plant species. From the snow-covered peaks to the lush valleys, a diverse array of flora has adapted to thrive in this unique environment. The stark contrast between the icy summits and the verdant lowlands is a testament to nature's adaptability and resilience. Each elevation zone hosts its own unique plant communities, contributing to the overall biodiversity of the region. In the lower elevations, grasslands stretch as far as the eye can see. These vast expanses of grassy meadows are home to a variety of grasses and herbaceous plants, which provide essential habitat and food sources for local wildlife. The grasslands are a vital part of the ecosystem, supporting both plant and animal life in a delicate balance. These grasslands are dotted with wildflowers, creating a kaleidoscope of colors during the spring and summer months. The vibrant blooms of species such as poppies, daisies, and buttercups transform the landscape into a living painting. This seasonal burst of color not only attracts pollinators, but also draws the attention of nature enthusiasts and photographers from around the world. As we ascend, we enter the realm of forests, where coniferous trees like spruce and fir dominate the landscape. These towering giants create a dense canopy that shelters a rich understory of shrubs, ferns, and mosses. The forest floor is a world unto itself, teeming with life and playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling and soil health. These forests provide shelter for a variety of animals and play a crucial role in regulating the local climate. The dense foliage acts as a natural barrier against harsh winds and helps to maintain moisture levels in the soil. This microclimate supports a diverse array of fauna, from small mammals and birds to larger predators like bears and wolves. Higher still, as the air becomes thinner and the temperatures drop, we reach the alpine meadows. These high-altitude environments are characterized by sparse vegetation and a short growing season. Despite these challenges, a variety of hardy plants have adapted to survive here, clinging to rocky outcrops and thriving in the thin, nutrient-poor soil. Here, hardy plants like edelweiss and gentians cling to life, their delicate beauty a testament to nature's resilience. These alpine flowers are specially adapted to withstand the harsh conditions, with features such as hairy leaves and stems to reduce water loss and protect against cold winds. Their presence adds a touch of elegance to the rugged landscape. The Western Tien-Shan is a botanist's paradise, with many plant species found nowhere else on Earth. This region's isolation and unique environmental conditions have given rise to a high level of endemism, making it a hotspot for botanical research and conservation efforts. Scientists continue to discover new species and study the intricate relationships between plants and their environment. These plants hold secrets to survival in extreme conditions and could even hold medicinal properties yet to be discovered. Traditional knowledge passed down through generations has highlighted the potential uses of many of these plants in herbal medicine. Modern research is beginning to uncover the biochemical compounds that give these plants their unique properties, offering hope for new treatments and therapies. Section 4, Where Wild Things Roam, Fauna of the Western Tien-Shan. The Western Tien-Shan is not just a land of soaring peaks and vibrant flora. It is a region that boasts a rich tapestry of life, where the rugged terrain and diverse habitats create a sanctuary for a myriad of species. It's also home to a fascinating array of animals, each uniquely adapted to survive in this challenging environment. From the high alpine regions to the lush meadows and dense forests, the Western Tien-Shan is a living testament to nature's resilience and ingenuity. Among the most iconic inhabitants are the snow leopards, elusive and majestic creatures that roam the high alpine regions. These solitary predators are rarely seen, but their presence is felt throughout the mountains. These masters of camouflage are perfectly adapted to life in the cold, with thick fur and powerful legs for navigating the snowy terrain. Their large paws act like snowshoes, allowing them to move silently and efficiently across the snow. Lower down, in the forests and meadows, we might encounter brown bears, wolves, and lynxes. These formidable predators are essential to the ecosystem, each playing a unique role in maintaining the balance of nature. These predators play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Brown bears, with their omnivorous diet, help control the populations of various species, while wolves and lynxes keep herbivore numbers in check, ensuring the vegetation remains healthy. The Western Tien-Shan is also a haven for birdlife. The skies and trees are alive with the fluttering of wings and the melodies of birdsong, creating a vibrant and dynamic soundscape. Golden eagles soar effortlessly on the thermals, their keen eyes scanning the ground for prey. Meanwhile, Himalayan griffins, with their impressive wingspans, patrol the skies, often seen gliding gracefully on the wind currents. In the spring and summer months, the meadows come alive with the sounds of birdsong as migratory species arrive to breed. These seasonal visitors add to the rich biodiversity of the region, each species contributing to the intricate web of life. The animals of the Western Tien-Shan are a testament to the power of adaptation and the importance of preserving these wild spaces. Their ability to thrive in such a harsh and varied environment is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists in nature and the need to protect these habitats for future generations. Beyond the larger mammals and birds, the Western Tien-Shan is teeming with smaller creatures that play vital roles in the ecosystem. Insects, for instance, are crucial pollinators, ensuring the survival of many plant species that form the foundation of the food web. The streams and rivers that crisscross the landscape are lifelines for the region's fauna. Aquatic life, from fish to amphibians, thrives in these waters, providing food for a variety of predators and contributing to the overall health of the ecosystem. As the sun sets over the Western Tien-Shan, the landscape transforms and the nocturnal creatures begin to stir. Bats, owls, and other nighttime hunters emerge, continuing the cycle of life that makes this region so unique and vibrant. Conservation efforts are crucial to maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. Rangers and scientists work tirelessly to protect these species and their habitats, ensuring that the Western Tien-Shan remains a sanctuary for wildlife for generations to come. The Western Tien-Shan is a living, breathing example of nature's grandeur. Its diverse wildlife, from the smallest insect to the mightiest predator, showcases the incredible adaptability and resilience of life. By understanding and protecting this unique region, we can ensure that its wonders continue to inspire and thrive. Section 5. Echoes in the Stone. Unveiling the history of the Western Tien-Shan. The Western Tien-Shan is not just a place of natural wonder, it's also a land steeped in history. These majestic mountains have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the relentless march of time. For centuries, these mountains have been a crossroads of cultures, a meeting point for traders, nomads, and empires. The Western Tien-Shan served as a vital artery in the network of ancient trade routes, facilitating the exchange of goods, ideas, and traditions. Ancient caravan routes, like the Silk Road, once snaked through these mountains, carrying goods and ideas between east and west. These routes were not just commercial highways but also conduits of cultural exchange, where philosophies, religions, and technologies were shared and disseminated. Evidence of this rich past can still be found today, in the form of ancient settlements, rock carvings, and sacred sites. These remnants tell the story of a vibrant and diverse history, where different peoples and cultures left their mark on the landscape. The petroglyphs, etched onto rock faces thousands of years ago, offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the people who once called these mountains home. These ancient artworks are a testament to the creativity and spiritual depth of the region's early inhabitants. These carvings depict scenes of hunting, grazing animals, and even mythical creatures, providing valuable insights into the cultural practices and spiritual beliefs of past civilizations. They reveal a world where humans and nature were deeply interconnected, and where the spiritual realm was an integral part of daily life. The western Tien-Shan was also a significant center of Buddhism, with numerous monasteries and temples dotting the landscape. These spiritual sanctuaries were not only places of worship but also centers of learning, where monks studied and preserved sacred texts and teachings. These spiritual retreats, often perched precariously on cliffs or nestled in secluded valleys, served as centers of learning and meditation for centuries. The monks who lived here dedicated their lives to the pursuit of enlightenment, creating a rich spiritual heritage that continues to inspire to this day. Today, the Western Tien-Shan continues to captivate visitors from around the world. Modern-day explorers and hikers traverse the same paths once walked by ancient traders and monks, discovering the timeless beauty and historical significance of this remarkable region. The echoes of the past resonate through the mountains, inviting us to uncover the stories etched in stone and to appreciate the enduring legacy of the Western Tien-Shan. As the sun sets over the Western Tien-Shan, the mountains stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Their rugged peaks and ancient pathways remind us of the rich tapestry of history woven into their very fabric. The Western Tien-Shan is not just a place on the map, it is a living testament to the enduring spirit of human endeavor and the timeless beauty of nature.